Jimmy, for what it's worth, they're actually still generating decent power even on the beach.
Yeah.
That one swing is so good.
Yeah, I can literally saw you.
Oh yeah, his
That's what I
his crosses his head.
Yeah, that was great.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, what else?
Sure, just wait.
Yes, go kill.
Ball. How long are you around for then?
For a month?
Good shit.
Yeah. I'll play a lot.
Good shit.
Yeah. Sure. Oh my god, wow.
Oh, I should not have let her. No, that was great top spin. I'm like, it's not going out. That's good. Yeah. I'd love to see how you play on Cohen and Remco.
Yeah, you could come to the north.
Yeah. No, out. Oh, barely out. Barely out. Yeah, barely out. Sorry. I was like, where are we at? 2-1?
2-1.
Okay. Option. Sorry. As long as I'm not. Dude, man, those are some trained ass people. That's a different dude. It's like soft. It is. But if it's hard, you have to go Here, just for you. Oh!
TC, right? Brian.
Yes, sir.
And Jimmy.
Jimmy's our I'll push him more. Very good. I faked them out to left.
Wait, are you left or right?
Huh? Both. If it dies off, I can switch.
Got it.
3 up, 1
3 all.
Oh! Happy birthday, dear whoever.
What score?
4-3.
When did that?
Nice spot.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I coming?
Golf game?
actually thought it was going to go over.
Oh, that was dirty. Dirty.
Right? 75.
So far out.
7 or 8? 8-5. 8-5. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, for sure. Darian? I like that backman.
You like it?
She was like,
You were cranked.
That win.
she cranked
That
it.
win. 3-5.
Where I thought you were gonna hit it.
Right? Because she was here. And then she still hit it.
Talking about can't swing on it.
Right
I
up
have
front
to
was
do
like,
this on a
and
minute.
I took it for you.
Yeah, win. Andrew might get mad, but 7-8. Yeah.
Here, free ball. Ball, Drew. All the way to us. All the way. I got you. Two ball, off. Drive it deep. Go. I believe they're 9-8. Yeah. Oh wow.
Good idea.
That's gonna pass better. It's still kind of off. No, I know what you're trying to do. I get it. No, but you're good. Here, more ball off.
Oh, that was very off.
There we go. Yes. Correct. Yeah.
Oh.
That's 3-8? Yeah, good number. 3-8.
Oh my god!
That was totally accidental.
No, yeah, because he hit the wrong side of his head.
I think that's also another thing of having height, and I didn't know too, because you're hitting something so high.
Right. 4-8.
Oh!
I do.
So I'm making poor choices.
4-8.
Good.
Out. No one. Oh, I like it though.
That's nice. No, really
I
good.
thought she caught you on like a high roll up. Here. What was that first? 9-4, right? Alright.
Oh,
how you made me die. Now I'm in pain.
Bola!
Another one.
Another bola.
Oh, that ours?
Is that ours? No.
Hey, watch the option, watch the option. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh. I caught my head. Did you?
Oh, wow, what the
No, I think if I wasn't wearing a hat, maybe. How about this one?
Did you like take away the spin? No. It was not.
Alright, see this. 1-4, right? Serve. Apparently?
Like a grain of sand.
Oh.
I want
Get popped out.
5-1?
just me on one.
Is that game?
No.
Who's helping?
Oh!
Move back, move back, move back, move back. Here,
Oh, sorry.
step back, step back, step back.
Oh, let's go to
Oh, nice one. Nice shot.
Thank you. Second one.
Switch left. He feels it. He feels it.
Oh, I'm here.
You. Two ball. Oh. I feel you're having three ball. Use it. Pivot. Oh. I got you. Two ball. Ah.
One up, one up.
Damn it! Nice turn. Nice turn.
Oh my god, I'm about to change.
Oh, I wish. I read your hand so late. Were you aiming, Tosh? Yeah. I read you late.
Because last time I tried to go line on you, he lost my ass. So I'm getting away from him.
You, TC.
You're good.
Just play it. Drive it. Ah. I have you right here. Oh, sorry. Oh! Alan, Devin might be wandering a little bit. I'll tell you if he touches back. Devin.
Oh,
Serve. Go, go, go! Here.
Get there.
Yeah. Watch your
It's over!
Ah!
I'll calculate.
Were you trying to set me? Because I was going to die.
I was setting you. What a rally.
Oh, man.
Let's go!
I don't know about that ball.
Well, that ball's really up.
I
Nice
mean,
block.
he called in, and I was like, I don't know. I think he called in.
Yo, good block touch. Where are we? 4-9, right?
Yeah.
Serve. Wait, watch your feet cross. Back with them. Good.
Oh, oh, oh. Over. No one. Yeah.
That's fine. Oh.
I'll try to get him higher.
Oh, you were good. Dude, I'll tell you about our games. It was hilarious. All right.
You know what? I saw your face. I was like, is he feeling like me? I do.
Let's go, 6-0. 6-0, 6-0.
Yeah.